Hey guys, Vertical Nick here with a 2008 Lamborghini Gallardo Superleggera. We just installed the vertical doors on it. They're easy to operate. You just pull it straight down to where it stops and shut it just like normal. When you open it out to where it stops, lift up, easy as that. And you get in, you can just get in like normal. Gives you all this room under the door to get in. This one has these nice door panels with this leather straps. You can just pull down from the strap, pull it in. And then when you get out, just open it like normal, push it out to where it stops, and then you can lift up from the bottom here.
For sales, professional installations, and expert technical support, contact Vertical Doors Inc. at 951-245-8669 or visit us at verticaldoors.com.